Hi, it's Gina with WTI. And if you want to get your plants off of countertops or flat surfaces and have them hanging in a really beautiful way, you're going to love this set of two that I got from HemePaha. The sleek and modern design of these is what caught my eye instantly. I love the matte black look with the different geometric shapes. This was perfect for the aesthetic that I was looking for. I got the 2-pack that comes with a diamond shape and a round shape. And these come with a really nice heavy duty chain with a hook on it so that you can hang it, basically anywhere that you want. These are 5-inch flower pots, and I found them to be perfect for replanting the little plants that I had. Another added bonus with these hanging planters is that the pot is removable. So when it's time to clean like the hanging apparatus or to water the plant, you can remove them both so that it makes it a lot easier. I could not be more pleased with how amazing these look. I just love them, and that's my point of view.